Kinetic typography is the only way to make your videos come alive, but it usually takes designers hours to create, and unfortunately I quite like leaving work on time, so let's use AI and create these in minutes. In this video, we'll see 2 ways to create some really cool kinetic typography. First, use ready-made templates from a library, and second, create from scratch with just a prompt. We'll be using Clueso, and you can find the link in the description below, so let's get into it. Right, I'll click here and start a blank project, but you can upload a video, screen recording, PPT, or wherever you'd like your text to pop. Now, let's go to the animation tab, where we can animate logos, text, science, data, and UI. Today, we'll go ahead with text. From the library here, we could pick any ready-to-use template for our project. Let's try the cubic scale. We can make customizations by going to the right panel. So let's edit the text and use the parameters to change the text color, font style, scale, or if you're lazy like me, just tell the AI exactly what you want to do, like change the color of the background to pink, and it's done. Moving on to the second method, we'll create with an AI prompt. Let's say you came across a really cool MoGraph on YouTube or Instagram and you want to recreate it. Well, you don't need to do it manually. We can just go to our left panel and upload a screenshot of the style here and give our prompt, hello, shown in a white text on a dark background, animate a wave that moves through it 1 letter at a time. Each letter lifts and settles in sequence, while the text stays fully visible. The more specific we are in our prompt, the better our output will be, so let's click here and enhance ours. Now hit generate, and we have recreated our inspiration in just a few minutes. I experimented with a couple more using this method, and you can find their prompts in the description below. We can iterate here as well and edit our generation in the same way, manually or by asking the AI. On the right panel, we can also go to the Generations tab and access our past iterations to restore any previous version. That's how you do kinetic typography on easy mode and get professional results without the professional budget. Let AI make your text pop while you focus on the more important thing, your message. You can find the link to Clueso in the description below and give this a shot yourself. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Drop a comment to let us know what you'd like us to cover next, and we'll catch you in the next one.